In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run C# program in Linux. We can run in Fedora, Redhat, Centos, and Extra. So first here, in Google search box, right there, .NET, then go on this .NET Microsoft.com site. So let's click on this. You can select anyone. Let's use their .NET or 9 version that's going to use there. Here you can see this is package 4 or this Debian SU with Centos. Let's use the Red Hat, and this also work in Fedora and other OS. So here you can see this place, or let's select here 9 or Red Hat 9, and simply you need to copy this command, and thereafter open this terminal and paste this one. So do DNF install .NET-sdk 9. Press enter. So now here this is doing some download, and here you can see this percent that's done here, and this will take a few second times to complete this download. So currently .NET is now downloading. So with the help of this .NET SDK, we can run C# program inside the Linux operating system. .NET SDK 9.4. Thereafter here, or this is the ASP.NET or core runtime that's also going to install there. So thereafter you need to write by press enter. So this is now importing some downloading some important package. Complete. Thereafter let's use their clear command, and if I write there .NET -- version, then you can see 90108 that install. Thereafter here we need ID. So the next is going to use the this JetBrains writer to run this Caesar code inside there. So here you need to search JetBrains writer on the Google search box. Then you can get this. Let's click on this download button, and here this Linux that's selected. Simply need to click on this download. Linux that's selected, and now click on this download. Here you can see the file is now downloading. The size is 1.18 GB. This download that has done. Let's click on this in folder. Then you need to extract the files. So file here is now preparing to extract. Now the file that extracted, let's click on this open. Here open, go on this bin, and here you can see this all. Simply you need to click on this rider, and here JetBrains rider is now opening. So let's check this and click on this continue, don't send, and now this is going to use the filter app, and here let's close this. Here you can select your color. Let's click on this continue, and here continue without plugin. If you want, then you can install this plugin. Let's click on this new. Here console. Now you can see automatically .NET 9 that's detected SDK. This detected there, and thereafter here the next is, if you want, then you can get their project name. Here you can create the project with console web, and let's click on this create project. So project is now creating there. On this run console application. So this is now processing, run debug, configuration. This here doing the indexing. Console application. This is build succeeded, and now you can get this output. So thereafter let's use the adding to number. of C Sharp inside JetBrains Writer. Now thereafter save that and let's click on this build succeeded. Here let's enter first number, second number, put in that string. So this is how we can run C Sharp code inside this Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So my this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.